What's up, everyone? You won't believe what just dropped. Samsung's One UI 7 update is officially here, and it's shaking up the Galaxy world in a way no one expected. After months of waiting, delays, and a few hiccups, Samsung is finally making good on its promises, and you might just be on the list to receive it. But here's the twist. This update is hitting devices earlier than anyone anticipated. The question is it smooth sailing from here, or is there a hidden surprise waiting around the corner? Let's dive in and find out. Welcome back, viewers. Sam here, and if you're as excited about this update as I am, hit that like button, share this video with your fellow Samsung fans, and of course, don't forget to subscribe for more epic updates. Alright, let's get into it. So, here's the deal. Samsung's been teasing One UI 7 for months, and after some hiccups along the way, it's finally rolling out. But there's a catch. If you were one of the lucky few on the beta, you're already seeing the new features, but for the rest of us, the wait continues. Samsung's released a schedule, and it looks like it's going to take until June 2025 to get this update to every eligible device. But here's the kicker. Some phones are getting it earlier, and not just the new Galaxy S24 models. Could this be a sign of a faster rollout than expected, or is Samsung just testing the waters before taking a deeper dive? The first batch of devices getting the update includes the big names: Galaxy S24, S24 Ultra, S24 Plus, and it's rolling out as we speak. But here's where it gets interesting. While South Korea has been the first to see this rollout, other regions, including Canada, will get it in stages, which means you could be next, or you might have to wait a little longer. There's a lot riding on how Samsung handles this, so what can we expect? I know you're wondering what's actually new with One UI 7. Don't worry, we'll get there. But first, let's talk about the update schedule. Starting in April 2025, the rollout will start with Samsung's newest premium devices like the Galaxy S24 Ultra and Z Flip 6, plus the S24 series. Then May and June will see the update expand to mid-range devices like the Galaxy S series and some older, but still powerful foldables. For those of you with the Galaxy Tab S series, you're also in for a treat with updates coming to the Tab S8 and Tab S9 models, among others. But hold up, before you start checking for updates, let's talk about the details. The size of this update is about 466 megabytes, so it's not huge, but it's packed with features. You're getting better security, smoother animations, and tighter integration with Samsung's Galaxy A. And let's not forget, One UI 7's biggest feature, better customization options, which, if you're like me, will be a game changer. It's all about giving you more control over your phone's look and feel. Who doesn't love a personalized device? Now, here's the big question. Will it be smooth sailing? I tested the update myself on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and so far, no issues. No green lines, no glitches, and definitely no stutters. It feels as polished as Samsung promised. But let's be real, things like this never go perfectly. Remember when One UI 6 had those annoying bugs that users couldn't shake? Could that happen again? Only time will tell. But I'm staying optimistic because right now, everything looks great. And here's something you won't want to miss. The new Good Lock module is looking pretty slick. It's a customization tool that's better than ever, and it's one of the many new features that'll make you fall in love with your Galaxy all over again. It's all about making your device feel unique to you. Alright, I've covered the basics, but there's still more coming. If you've been wondering about the future of One UI 7, I've got you covered. We'll see the update expand to more devices, including the Galaxy Z Fold and Flip models, and even some of the Series and M series smartphones. So if you're not part of the first wave, don't sweat it. Your turn is coming soon. But here's the thing. Samsung has been a bit shaky with rollouts in the past. After all the delays, can they stick the landing this time? I want to hear from you. Are you excited about One UI 7, or are you still holding your breath after those previous delays? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let's chat about it. That's all for today, but before you go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on One UI 7 and everything Samsung. Peace out.